Wanna use custom fonts in Capcut on your iPhone, but don't know how? No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to add custom fonts step by step. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open any browser like Safari or Chrome on your iPhone. I'm gonna go for Safari. Then, go to a reputable font website like Google Fonts, DaFont, or Font Squirrel. I'm gonna go to Google Font. Now select the font you want, tap on it, and then tap the Get Font button. Next, tap Download button. Confirm download. Now tap on the little download button in the Safari address bar, then tap Downloads. Here you'll see the downloaded file. Most fonts download as a zip file. Tap on it, then tap on the share icon below. Now make sure to save it to your iPhone file by tapping Save to Files below. Here, select your file location and then tap Save from the top right. Now, you must open the zip file in your iPhone's Files app. So, open up your iPhone's Files app and find the font file you downloaded. Then press and hold on the files. Then tap Uncompress. Now, here, you'll see the unzipped file created. Tap on it. Here, you can see the actual font file. So, now open up the Capcut. Now create a project or open any existing project. Then, tap on the text option below. Next, tap Add Text. Here, select Font next to Template. Here you will see the My Fonts option. If you don't see here, then slide right and find this option. Then tap on it. Next, tap Add. Then tap My Fonts. Your Files app will open. Now find and select the unzipped font file, and then tap Open from the top right. Here's your custom font added. Now, select your font here, then enter your text, and then tap on the screen. Here, you can see your custom font style is working. Finally, tap on the check mark. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for tuning in.